Hey everyone, in this video, I will talk about HSBC Classic Credit Card. HSBC Classic Credit Card is designed for individuals seeking to build or improve their credit rating while enjoying essential credit card features. Now, some of its key features are: first, no annual fee. Cardholders benefit from no annual fee, making it cost-effective option for those starting their credit journey. Next is the credit limit. Depending on individual circumstances, the credit card offers a credit limit up to $1,000. Next is the interest rate. The card carries a variable purchase rate of 29.9% per annum. Next is the credit card or the credit building, designed to help build or improve your credit rating when managed responsibly. Next is mobile banking. Access to the HSBC mobile banking app allows users to monitor balances, make payments, and manage their account efficiently. Lastly is the purchase protection. Purchases between $100 and $30,000 or pounds are protected under Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act, offering added security. Now, some of its pros are: first, cost-effective. With no annual fee, it's an affordable option for those new to credit. Second is the credit improvement. Responsible use can aid in building or enhancing your credit score. Lastly is the user-friendly management. The HSBC mobile banking app provides convenient account oversight. And for its cons, first is the credit limit or limited credit limit. The maximum credit limit of £1,000 may not suffice for all users. And lastly, the high interest rate. A 29.9% variable APR necessitates timely repayments to avoid significant interest charges. In conclusion, this card serves as a practical tool for individuals aiming to establish or rebuild their credit profile. And that's basically it.